A high-performance bicycle is more than just a frame with two wheels. It's a finely tuned machine, a perfect harmony of engineering and material science built for one purpose: speed. But how is a feather-light bicycle designed to perform at the highest level actually created? It all starts with a digital blueprint. Engineers use computational fluid dynamics to design the frame's geometry, optimizing every curve for aerodynamics and stiffness. Every tube shape is meticulously designed to cut through the wind and maximize power transfer from the rider to the road. For carbon fiber, the process is pure craftsmanship. Technicians meticulously cut and lay up hundreds of individual carbon sheets into a mold. These layers, each oriented in a specific direction, are what give the frame its strength and stiffness. The mold is then placed in an oven, where heat and pressure fuse the carbon sheets into a single, incredibly strong and lightweight frame. With the frame complete, it moves to assembly. Components like the crankset, brakes, and shifters are meticulously installed. Each bolt is torqued to a precise specification, and every part is aligned for flawless performance. Finally, a clean paint job and clear coat are applied, turning an engineering marvel into a work of art. From a design on a screen to a finished machine, a high-performance bicycle is a testament to the unseen assembly of advanced technology and human skill. If you were fascinated by this process, hit that subscribe button to explore more engineering marvels. And tell us in the comments, what other piece of technology do you want to see unraveled on our next video?